All right, tech enthusiasts, let's dive into today's stormy seas, aka the news on Kyndryl Holdings. Buckle up, because it's a wild ride filled with financial drama, some high-stakes accusations, and a call to action for investors. Kyndryl Holdings found itself amidst a whirlwind today, largely due to a bombshell report dropped by Gotham City Research. For those who shotgun energy drinks labeled short seller favorite, Gotham City is no stranger. They've kickstarted quite the ripple effect by alleging some shady business under Kyndryl's financial hood. According to the report, this IT infrastructure company, which spun off from the juggernaut IBM in 2021, has been artificially inflating crucial financial metrics like its EBITDA and free cash flow figures. That's like someone borrowing lifts from the DeLorean for their financials, readjusting reality to a potentially startling degree. Now, this has sent Kyndryl's stocks into a nosedive equivalent to someone's heart rate when they realize the low battery icon on their phone isn't joking. Shares tumbled hard today, dropping over 14% at one point. Investors, meanwhile, were spotted running metaphorical fire drills, wondering if there was still time to save themselves or if they were already on board the Titanic after having crashed into the iceberg. But wait, there's more drama. Block Leviton, a securities law firm renowned for pursuing securities litigation, has announced its own investigation into whether Kyndryl breached any securities laws. They're essentially the Wyatt Earp of securities law, rallying investors who've taken a financial hit from this slip to maybe recover some of those losses. Whether you're living out your drama as a stockholder or an armchair detective, it's enough to keep you coming back for this saga's next episode. Kyndryl has, of course, pumped the brakes on this roller coaster like an aggrieved biker claiming those weren't their tire tracks. They've dismissed the claims as inaccurate and deliberately misleading, presenting themselves as faithfully diligent in their reporting practices. But until that response does more than just linger in our headlines, the stockholders might consider hanging on to their metaphorical inner tubes, just in case. Folks, this kerfuffle with Kyndryl really opens up a can of worms about transparency and trust in corporate operations. Should companies taken to task by short sellers wield more transparency, or do they sometimes become unfair targets of financial bullies? Or perhaps, are we witnessing industry vigilantes doing investors a favor? I, for one, have my popcorn ready for how this all shakes out, but I want to hear from you. Are you Team Gotham or Team Kyndryl, or simply just entertained from the sidelines with your front-runner uncertainty? Hit the comments and spill those thoughts. Let's get this comment section lit like a coder's terminal during debug hour. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.